Hey, what's going on, y'all? Well, this video was supposed to be an unboxing, but I got a little antsy and went ahead and cracked the box open. Basically, this is the Nexsys B58 kit. If you don't know anything about the B58, it's a newer age engine that BMW has. I think it comes in several different their cars, like the 340. Most notably, it comes in the newer Supra. Is that a Supra? So let's see what's in this box. So this is basically what the box that'll come in. Disclaimer: these coils do not come with the kit. I will say it again: coils do not come with the kit. The kit does come with extended coil boots, though. This is one of the boots that comes with their kit. And let me see if I can find old boots. This is how long the standard one, and these are the ones that come with the kit. So basically how you take it off is just take it, twist it, pull, and it'll pop right out. Make sure that spring comes out with it. You don't want that spring in there because the new boot comes with the spring. And to put it on there, just make sure you get that spring inside the coil, and just basically the opposite of how you put it on there. Just twist it on there until it sits flush. Now, one thing I'm not sure about is if these things are supposed to be sticking out like that. Some of them are, some of them they aren't. So I guess if I have some issues, I'll be complaining, but I would imagine it probably just sinks in when you stick it on the spark plug, but I will find out. So the kit comes with those extended boots. It also comes with these plug-ins. As you can see, one end has the pigtail end that looks like our the coils plugs, and this end looks like the B58 plug-in. And make sure you got 6 of these for all 6 coils. And let's see, here's another thing that should be in there is your bolts to hold down the plate, and the piece de resistance. This is your B58 coil pack plate. As you can see, got these holes cut in here. The coils go inside the hose. You bolt them in there with these small bolts, and then your plug comes up through these small holes and plugs in, and all your wiring should be up under the plate, sitting inside of the that valley on the head. So let's get started in on this project. See you on the other side. Alright, first thing you probably want to start off with is unplugging your battery since you're working with electrical stuff. Next move is, I would advise probably doing this with a cold engine because a lot of this stuff's going to be hot. So, first move is to take the plastic shroud that holds all of the wiring loom. You want to unloosen that. You don't necessarily have to take it off just yet, but you want those bolts out of there because you're going to have to crack that open. Alright, before I get to undoing anything, I'm going to take some masking tape and a couple of markers and I'm going to label each wire what coil they came off of, so that'd be 1 through 6. Just make sure that you get every one. You don't have to do that, but I like to, you know, keep from having anything weird going on or putting anything where it's not supposed to go. So masking tape and Sharpies are your friend. As you can see, I got everything unplugged, got all the plugs out, got them numbered. I think the only one I didn't number was number 6 cylinder. So the next move is to get this piece broken open, get those wires free. The plate's gonna take, the plate bolts in here and here. So you gotta get this whole piece out and then pull these coils out so we can put the new coils in. Let's get on it. Alright, once you get it out, you see how you got all these little clips here you gotta take apart. Make sure you get the wire looms, grommets. There's one that sits in here and one that sits in here. Pull those out. You should be able to take it apart fairly easily. As you can see, I took off the zip ties that were holding the different wires together. You're probably going to have to do that so that you can stretch them where they need to go. The double end pigtails, they go on your plug like that. Just press it on there until it locks itself in place. Looks like there's going to be a double hand job.
Oh my.
As you can see, most of the way there, had to run the plugs through there, plug and tuck them down in here. It's really not that bad. It's kind of a little bit of an Rubik's cube, I guess. The issue I'm running into now is the 6th cylinder, how to actually run the wire through there. So when I figure that piece out, I'll get back to y'all and show you how I did it or whatever I figured out to do. But once I get that figured out, then I'm gonna pop the coils in there, and then I gotta redo my MHD so that it'll run the B58 coils without any issues. So back here on the 6th coil here, pretty much had to get out the way, man. Set it on the outside of the valley, and I'm gonna just plug it up from it sitting out there, since there's not really anywhere you can set it. There's no space down in here where you can set the plug. Alright, the last part is putting your coils in. So what you do is just stick them down in there, press it down. You want to make sure that the coil is sitting down a little bit inside of the metal plate. Sitting down inside the metal plate there. And you want it sitting down flush. Once you get the coil in place, make sure you line up the screw hole and just bolt it down. I would say start it with hand by hand so that you don't cross thread anything. Once it feels secure, just do it firm, don't over tighten it. Then take your pigtail, stick it in there. You're good to go. Alright, when you get done, it should look something like this. The number 6 coil was a bit of a pain in the butt, but I got it in there. So the next process is to retune it. So the last part of this is to reflash your MHD. You want to choose the option It lets you add on the B58. So you want to go to options, and if you scroll down, you'll see ignition coils. Come on. If I can get it to respond. And you'll see you'll have 4 different options: OEM, Precision, Beamer Life, and NXM B58, and that's the one you go with. I've already just got finished doing the reflash, so next step is to start the car and hope that it doesn't blow up. What's up, y'all? Headed up to the track. Got this noisy ass Mustang behind me doing all this revving. We on a 1-lane road in Speedway. You know, Speedway PD don't play. I ain't fucking around. Thanks for the track. At least. So I'll catch y'all when we get there. I ain't been up to the track in about a year. Last time I was up at the track, no, it's been longer than a year. Shit. Last time I've been up to the track, I still had my E46. Like I ran like a 14 something in a full weight, completely stock. What was that? A 330 CI. So hopefully I can do better than 14 seconds with this shit. But I don't know. I think I need to add some more transmission fluid. Transmission be feeling funny sometimes. But let's get up there.
Raging. 30 bucks.
Thank you, sir. So apparently the cutoff point for needing a helmet is 14 seconds, and I know my car can do way faster than 14 seconds, so looks like I'm gonna have to granny it down the track, or probably I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. Shit, 14 seconds. I'm gonna have to watch my ass, I guess.
fuck that hill. Made myself a ghetto star on the slab, sipping, smoking weed,